Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood repair technician, coming with some little information. One of the biggest questions I get is why don't I have enough water, or how can I get more water in my top load high efficiency machine? They also ask about front loads, but we'll get to that in a second. Okay, there are a couple things the way this thing functions, okay? What this does is, if you look in here, these are two different pieces here, okay? Let me get this out of the way. Two different pieces. This actually spins to sense the weight of the amount of clothes you have in the unit. By whatever that determines how much water will go in your machine, okay? So if you put your clothes in, start it, run it, fill it, it's going to say, okay, I've got 3 pounds of clothes, let's say. Then it's going to add, okay, then I need 4 gallons of water for those 3 pounds of clothes. Those aren't the exact numbers, but you get the gist of what I'm talking about. So what you can do is put your clothes in, normally would. Just pick any random cycle, doesn't really matter, okay? We'll just go normal wash, because that's probably what you're going to use anyways. Start your machine, let the machine completely fill up with water, okay? But then what you're going to do is you're going to want to, drain the water out of it, okay? Leave the clothes wet, don't spin it, just drain the water out. Once you drain the water out, turn your machine off, turn your machine back on, and then go back to your normal cycle, okay? You've instantly tripled the amount of weight in your clothes just by getting them wet, because wet clothes, everybody knows, are heavier than normal clothes. That will add more water to the machine because it thinks it has, now I have 10 pounds of clothes, so I need, let's say, 8 gallons of water. Do not, in any case, add more detergent. Use the recommended amount of detergent that you're supposed to use. Now, when it comes to front loaders, you really can't do much about that, okay? This is set for a specific amount of water no matter what you do. The front loaders don't allow that because of the way they're situated. They can only have so much water before you get water up in here, and then you have potential possible leaks. At that point, we've got other issues which you don't want to do. Whereas your top loaders here, they can hold up to 25, 30 gallons of water. Okay, so to recap, what you want to do is put your clothes in, pick a cycle, start. Once it stops filling, then you want to stop it, and then you want to drain it. You want to get the water out, but don't spin the cycle because you still want the clothes to carry the weight. And then go through your normal, put your soap in, hit start, and you should have more water, which should give you a little bit better chance on cleanup. This works for all washers that are top load that don't have an adjustable setting. This is basically an older style, old school, hasn't really changed a whole lot. The motor's got a little more efficient, but it's still not quite the HE and high efficiencies that some of these newer ones. See, this actually has load levels that you can do. Now you can go to what this autofill is. That will actually go to a sensing cycle, which will actually put in what the manufacturer thinks is right for the amount of clothes you have. But if you don't like that, like I said, you can go to a small, medium, or large load, and then this will actually, you can get more water, but you lose the energy efficiency of the unit by putting more water in. So give it a try. That should help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because we have a whole lot more good information coming for you in the future. Thank you very much. Have a good day.